Hey there! Are you suffering from chronic daily headaches? That can be tough. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will explore the symptoms, causes, and treatment options for chronic daily headaches. Welcome to our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for daily health updates. Let's get started, including migraine, tension type headache, and medication overuse headache. Chronic daily headaches are a type of headache that occurs at least 15 days a month for 3 months or more. That can be debilitating and affect your daily life, making it difficult to work, study, or enjoy your favorite activities. The symptoms of chronic daily headaches can vary from person to person, but common symptoms include constant, dull, or throbbing pain that affects both sides of the head, neck pain, and sensitivity to light and sound. The cause of chronic daily headaches are not fully understood, but some common triggers include head injury, depression, anxiety, sleep disturbances, female sex, obesity, snoring, and caffeine. Additionally, medication overuse headache can also be a cause of chronic daily headaches. So, how can you treat chronic daily headaches? Well, it depends on the cause of your headache. In some cases, simply lifestyle changes such as getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and reducing stress can help. Avoiding triggers like caffeine or alcohol may also help. For some people, over-the-counter pain medications like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can be effective. In more severe cases, prescription medications like triptans, anticonvulsants, or antidepressants may be recommended. In some cases, Botox injections or nerve blocks may be used to relieve pain. It's important to note that chronic daily headaches can be challenging to manage, and it may take some trial and error to find the right treatment for you. It's also important to work closely with your healthcare provider to manage your headaches and monitor any potential side effects of medications. By understanding the symptoms, causes, and treatment options for chronic daily headaches, you can take steps to manage your pain and improve your quality of life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. We hope this video was helpful in understanding chronic daily headaches. If you are interested in learning more about unusual health topics, check out our video on shocking truth about swallowing bubblegum, fact or fiction. And for those struggling with sleep, our video Discover the Hidden Secrets to Better Sleep, Master the Art of Restful Sleep may be just what you need.